when my son became a toddler, I started to see and realize that I had all this extra room in my diaper bag that I didn't need. So I changed and transitioned to a diaper bag that was a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact. So the most important thing that I think somebody can have in their diaper bag for their toddler that I have never seen in a diaper bag video, especially in a toddler diaper bag videos, because toddlers are constantly falling and running into things and getting little bumps and boo-boos, is a first aid kit. It's just a small first aid kit. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. So this little first aid kit I got from Buy My Baby. Again, nothing fancy, just some Band-Aids in case you should need them, some antibiotic ointment, and some alcohol type pads, and then also some larger Band-Aids, smaller Band-Aids, and there's also a little piece of gauze. You can never be too prepared for an emergency. My husband is a firefighter though, and again, I think I mentioned it in another video, I think that seeing children hurt at work really forces it home to you that you should try to prepare for emergencies as best you can. Along with a change of clothes, a whole change of clothes that I keep in a Ziploc bag, is an additional Ziploc bag. Actually, I think this is a Walmart Ziploc bag. It's an additional Ziploc bag so that you can put whatever is dirty or whatever has a blowout or something, or spit up or a barf or whatever on it, in an additional bag, so you can still keep, you know, if you've got socks or a shirt that you don't have to use, keep it in your shirt bag. It also can help you stay organized to just refill, restock that outfit when you had it. So I keep 2 bags in there. And then I think, you know, we all have a changing pad and diapers and wipes inside of the changing pad. And something that I still keep in my diaper bag is just one of these muslin blankets, and it's just that soft, thin blanket. It's kind of, you can use it for whatever, you know, if your toddler's cold, if they have some kind of spill, spit up, whatever, just a blanket in there. And I also carry some extra diapers just in case for some reason you need more than you thought you would. And I also keep boogie wipes just in case. I like that they're unscented. They also have a grape one that smells really good that you can use. I think I actually have also a small pack of the grape. Yes, they have these at Buy My Baby. They also have these at some Dollar Trees and dollar stores. But, you know, if they're eating, you need to wipe them up, or if they have a snotty nose, you can just clean them up with this. I also keep a bandana bib or 2. My son doesn't really use the full-size bibs anymore, but he does still drool a little bit. He's got some teeth that are continuing to grow and poke through, so just an extra bandana bib. And another thing that I keep just as a snack option is one of his little sippy cups and a little toddler formula in case for some reason we can't find milk or don't have access to it. That way he's not starving if he wants something to drink. We also keep a sunblock just in case we haven't put sunblock on him yet and we're gonna go do something fun. And the last thing that I have and that I would pack into his diaper bag would be a bag with eating items. So a couple spoons, and also a couple of these little disposable bibs. My mother-in-law actually got these for us, and there's a part on the back that you can remove it and make it sticky and actually stick it to your shirt on your child so they don't fluff it up and make a mess with it from there. But these little disposable bibs work really well if you're gonna go out to eat. And the last thing I do before we leave the house is just throw some little baby pouches in there and some of his dry snacks that could get stale if I left them in his diaper bag all the time. Just throw them into his little food bag so we know where they are. And pop that in his diaper bag as well. And on the outside of my diaper bag, I keep hand sanitizer. So if you have a crazy situation with a diaper or some other kind of mess and you don't have access to water to wash your hands, at least you have some hand sanitizer in the time being. I hope that this video showed you some different things in a toddler's diaper bag. Again, I switched to a smaller diaper bag, a thinner diaper bag, because I didn't need quite as much. But I really hope after watching this too, if you don't have some kind of first aid kit in your diaper bag for your toddler, please get one, put one together. If there's anything that you have in your toddler diaper bag that I didn't mention, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Or if you have any comments about some of the things that I have in here, I would love to hear that as well. If you like this video and would like to see other momming type videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.